So some of the inmates will be eligible for home confinement. They're going to look at the following factors: the age and vulnerability of the inmate to the COVID-19 virus per CDC guidelines. They'll look at the security level of the facility with priority given to low and minimum security inmates. This means folks in a camp or folks in low, folks in mediums, folks in penitentiaries, folks that are in county jails somewhere, in a holdover capacity, pretrial. It doesn't apply to them, does not. The inmate's conduct in prison. We want to see clear conduct. We don't want to see any behavior where it was violent or gang related, no security threat groups. Probably folks with public safety factors for sex offense or any kind of public safety factor, STG, any of that, not considered. They're also going to look at the inmate's pattern score, and anything above a minimum will not receive priority under treatment under this memorandum. Now, there could be hope later, but not under the present memorandum. Okay, there needs to be a verifiable reentry plan that'll prevent recidivism. And so hopefully, you know, in the pre-sentence report, there's a release residence, and that can all be verified through the institution. That is a good, verifiable reentry plan. Okay, so in that there's, you know, again, low risk, that there's not going to be a danger posed by the inmate to society. That means all sex offenses, even if it was a non-contact sex offense, though that still has a public safety factor, the person will not be considered at this time. It renders an inmate ineligible for home detention, and other serious offenses could weigh more heavily against that. For instance, some of your gun charges, 922, 924, there's just a litany of things that are considered crimes of violence. Not that the person's violent, but it's a crime of violence as seen by the Federal Bureau of Prisons in their policy statements. Okay. Anyway, that said, if you have any questions or comments, give us a call, give us an email at federalprisonauthority@gmail.com, or find us on one of our websites and call in, and we can answer any questions you may have.